I'm glad to see everybody here today, because this is what it's all about. It's communication. This is the only way we find out about things. But just so you know, I'm a little bit different in the sense where I believe going to the people for the answers, for their problems, for their questions. See, part of the problem I see with politics, and it doesn't matter what level, and first of all, actually, I just want to thank Bob for his many years of service. It's not, we have different opinions, but I'm very thankful for the service and the commitment he's done. But the one thing I plan to do differently is being a voice for the people. Like if I go back to when I first told my wife, January 28th, I said, "Hon, I want to run for mayor." And she goes, "Why?" And I looked her straight in the face, as I always do. We've been married 22 blessed years. And that's the one thing. It's because I care. I want to give a voice to the people that are not heard. Because many a time we have issues, we have problems. There's things that are just talked about and nothing gets done. I plan to bring a new way of doing things, and I'm going to be dealing with the region, all the other council members, and I say, hey guys, look, we have to do what's in the best interest of the people. Enough of this talk about the same friggin' thing, okay? Let's just make a decision. If everybody wants to save a woodlot, it's in our best interest. If I'm mayor, there will be no road going through there, okay? I'll be there right in front of the building, okay? Because I'm just a regular person, okay? I have plenty of ideas. I have a lot of creativity. My parents brought me up really well, and the one thing they always keep telling me is that you gotta listen before you say anything. And everybody's speaking very loud, and unfortunately, it's been going on deaf ears. There's been a lot of the same issues. When the regional councilors are up here,
That's 2 minutes.
that's 2 minutes. We will talk again. Thank you.